Imphal Guwahati, Guwahati Imphal, Imphal Dimapur, Dimapur Imphal Amadi, Imphal Kolkata, Kolkata Imphal Tamna Paigadaba, Alliance Air Flight Service ngasi Chief Minister Nongtomba Birena, Imphal Gibir Tikendrajit International Airport da Houdokkhre. Thoramadu International Airport ki conference hall da video conferencing ki khutang da Civil Aviation ki Union Minister Kinjarapu Ramohan Naidu yauna Houdokkhibani. Chief Minister na mahaki warol thamladuna hariba flight service asi hapta amada anirak mathau tawgani hari lamdam asigi hauzik oriba fiwamna lambigi chathok sasinda khudong chadaba kaya miyamna mayoknabana ahongba mamalda miyamda lupa lising mangadagi hendana flight chatpagi khudong chaba fanghangani lengak asina Alliance Air ga yana che sahi tawnaduna flight service asi miyamda fanghangadoribani haina phongdorakli Loinina Prime Minister Narendra Modi amadi Ministry of Civil Aviation ki Union Minister busu luraba tanfam asida ahenba flight service bibibagi damak thagatpa phongdoki ngasigi flight service hawdopagi thoramadu Transport Minister Kasim Basum atai Minister amadi MLA Singh loinina Manipur ki Chief Secretary Prasant Kumar Singh su saryaki
Whatever you initiated, whatever the civil aviation initiated and helping us in this trying time. But more and above, people are suffering. Since the last 20 months, okay, privatization we encourage, but not on the way that they should do whatever they like. When the people are in trouble, we are part of India, we are Indians, we are suffering. So at least, please send a team here to assess the price of the fare tickets, and if I will be very happy if you kindly instruct and arrange to minimize the flight ticket more lower, and if you provide more flight which can travel directly to Delhi, Calcutta or Bangalore. So, but saying about all these things, I have to appreciate the Union government, which you have already mentioned, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji and his ministries as helping us like anything to bringing up the knowledge up to the level of the national and international level through various schemes. Many schemes we have taken up not only in the civil aviation, road connectivities, infrastructure developments, and the social sector also. Thus, it is kind enough Honorable Prime Minister is doing lots, and I also inviting you, Honorable Minister, once please visit and let us sit together and please examine.